If our mind is unpeaceful or agitated, then even if we have very good circumstances, we'll find it impossible to be happy.
Taking care of your peace of mind is not only a gift to yourself, but also necessary for your mental, emotional, and spiritual health in a world full of noise and distractions all the time. You can develop a deep sense of inner peace that isn't affected by outside events by practicing mindfulness, gratitude, building resilience, and taking care of yourself. Keep in mind that peace of mind is not found when there is no chaos, but when there is chaos, and you can find calm and peace in the middle of it.
How much, for how long can you maintain your unbroken state? And this is the practice. This is where it leads to.
Change how you feel. We recognize that you can't just get rid of feelings. However, you can look at your situation and determine if it's possible to shift your strong emotions or even add in some uplifting emotions. Try looking at the situation as if you aren't the one in it. What would you say to a friend or loved one? Engage in emotion regulation skills, such as opposite action, observing cognitive distortions, or checking the facts.
Walking through the valley of pain, the physical training, always putting you right onto the limit where the suffering or the pain, let's say, starts mentally or physically. Now, this is the way of growth. Even if I don't show, but right now, I have my painful things I go through. But first of all, I see the pain as the chance. This is the one thing. And on the other side is also like this. I can see in the whole way how this life has also developed for me. There was no prize without investing effort. Bottom line. Nothing today I am proud of. Nothing today I really appreciate deeply from my heart. Nothing of that came quick. It always involved a lot of sweat and suffering and pushing through and having patience and being persistent, being consistent, in a way having hope, not giving up and trusting. All of these things.
To regain control, we must train the mind to be more present, to live in the here and now, and to find the answers within ourselves, to perceive every moment as it is, and feel the subtle changes within, to continuously work on it. That is the essential practice.
So it's even that normally the suffering even doesn't become less. I mean, yeah, you are being challenged with more suffering. To really see how much have you learned. The whole life I realized that when you are putting limitations to yourself, you always stay small and never get into the glimpse of what this complete universe and life actually has for a potential for you to discover. But this is dependent upon what is your mindset. You want to stay small? You can, of course, stay small, but I have a different mindset. Not saying everybody has to have that one. Me as a human being, I just grew up like this, constantly searching, constantly wanting to know what is beyond the border. You can't share what you don't have. Let's start with this one.
Before we start Shi Heng Yi's Qigong practice for your new self, let's focus on getting our minds ready, being aware of our breath, and lining up our inner selves. You can get your body, mind, and spirit ready for change in this holy place.
Hands in front of the chest. Shuli. And bow. Lift the elbows. Exhale. Again. Place your attention on the breath. And one more time. Now from here, sink on the right leg, left leg, Step out, shoulder wide. In. Fill up the chest.
Feel your feet rooted into the earth. Allow your breath to deepen. Release thoughts of who you've been. Be present.
Five more times. Two more.
Visualize each inhale filling your body with light and strength. With each exhale, release self-doubt, fear, and stagnation.
Okay, and small jumps together with shaking the hands. Let's go. 3 minutes. Shake off the body. Don't tense up. Stay very loose. Loose until the finger joints.
This is who you are now, grounded, awakened, alive. Hold the energy of your new self with presence and pride. Feel the internal strength. Stillness is now active, alert, full. You are no longer becoming, you are embodying.
Stay with the mind inside yourself and try to observe yourself. That you're able to detect also if there is anything that you can release. Now continue. Find a small rhythm for yourself. You can make it very freely and just do whatever you want, but there is also an advantage of having a pattern, of having continuous repetition, which always stays the same. So find a rhythm. Find a rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you change the jumps, 2 more minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 more minute. Go on. Slowly rotate, for example, the shoulders already. Loosen up. Use circular movement. But still continue moving.
Your core is your center of power. Nourish it. Trust it. Move from it. This awakens the Mingmen, gate of life, strengthens your lower back, and rebuilds your internal power.
Okay, 20 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, very good. Now slowly we started to activate the body. Now starting from the fingers, we walk ourselves through our complete body and warm up every station that we're able to go with our mind. Starting with the fingers. Thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, small finger, reverse. Yeah, very conscious. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and close. Yeah, 36 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This movement activates qi flow from the earth to the heavens and balances the nervous system. Feel yourself becoming lighter, more aware.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next joint, the wrist. Rotate inwards. Yeah. With your mind, really stay at the wrist. Yeah, place your awareness, feel inside of your body, go inside the wrist. And 36 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1.
This movement energizes the heart meridian, builds emotional resilience, and reminds you to live with compassion and courage.
9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then other direction, 18 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.